Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dice Paul, and if you're a new viewer, definitely go to our channel and watch all these videos. And if you're liking it, then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit this bell icon so that you get all the notifications whenever we upload a video. And for the ones who wants additional service, always WhatsApp 7892652481 is the WhatsApp number. And for the ones who wants to be part of my secret Telegram channel, you can open your link in Zerodha, Upstock, Angel Broking, or Alice Blue. In this particular video, we are going to talk about especially for the ones who are confused how to put a target and stop loss when we don't have a bracket order. So we know that when we have a bracket order, we have this option of putting a target. Let's say 0.3 is your target, so you put 0.3% target and 0.3% stop loss, especially for the ones who are working, because few of my students have asked this and few of them in the WhatsApp they have asked the same thing. So recently my student asked me to do a video on this, so I just thought first thing I'll do this video. So how to set a target, because a lot of people are working, they can't monitor because now we don't have a bracket order to put target and stop loss. All we have is a cover order, but in cover order you can put only stop loss. So if it goes to your target of 0.3 also, you can't keep working, or you go for work or you go out and then you can't keep checking your phone every second and keep scalping like me. So even though I miss out my targets when I go here and there, so it is difficult, I understand that. So basically for office people who don't have time to monitor the stock, you can set your stop losses and target. So now how do we do that without bracket order, because bracket order has been stopped right now. So in cover order, how do we do in Zerodha, for example? In cover order, we can't do this because you have only one option, stop loss, and once you take a position here, you need to go to your positions here, live positions, and you need to hit exit button. So for that you need to monitor. If you don't monitor, it will go down for stop loss or it will go more than your target, and if you're lucky you will book it. If not, you will forget, it will go up and come down also to stop loss. So in normal CNC, you know that in normal CNC, when you're buying, let's say you're buying one quantity, you can put your stop loss directly here. Let's say negative 0.3 percentage. You're ready to put on my number lock. Okay, so 0.3 negative, and let's say target is 0.3, so 1:1. So negative goes stop loss, if it's going positive. So this is CNC. So CNC is fine, but how do we do this for MIS, that is intraday orders, where you're getting extra money? Okay, so here you can't do cover order, you don't do that, bracket order is not there. So for regular order you can do that. So how do you do that? So I'll take a small example, Hindalco. I'll take a small stock because so that I don't lose much money in this small example. So I'm taking just one stock here. Okay, just 33 rupees I'm investing here. So one stock I'm taking, let's say I'm buying at market price or whatever desired price you're buying. So you first buy it off. Okay, buy. Okay, just an example. Okay, so I've taken just one quantity of Hindalco right now, and what you will do is you need to set a target. So your buy price is 243.55. So let me use a calculator. So 243.55 just plus 0.3 percentage. So 244.30, let's say 244.30 is your target. So let me exit at one quantity. You should put a limit price. Remember this, for targets, whatever you're doing, buying or selling, in the here it's a buy right now. Next, if it is selling also, target should be limit order. So you set a limit, let's say 244.30. Easy example, 0.3, so that it can execute faster. That's the reason I've taken 0.3. Okay, so 244.30 is your target. So put your limit order like this and hit the sell. Now see, order is placed, it will be pending here. So this is pending at trigger of 244.30. Now immediately place your stop loss. Now what is our stop loss? So buy is 243.55, right? So 243.55 minus 0.3. Easy example, I'm just taking 0.3. So 242.80. So you need to keep a SL order, or you can keep a SL limit order. So you can set here 242.80. So if it put this, as soon as this triggers, it will, whatever is the market price, it will sell off. Okay, if you put this, you can say that okay, when this triggers, you need to set your target at 242.80. okay, so like this, as soon as it goes down, when this touches, this order goes to the market, that sell at 242.80. So for easy example, I would get 0.3. So remember, for stop loss, use these two orders, especially when for this scenario, use these two orders, SL or SL limit. Don't put limit, it will not take. Use SL order, SL limit order. For targets, always use market, or market order means immediately will sell off. Keep your limit 0.3, calculate 0.3 and keep it above. For keeping stop losses, use these two orders. You see these two orders. So I'm keeping this one to specifically sell at 242.80, not above or below. Sell me at that point. So once it triggers, sell at this point. Here, if I put SLM, as soon as it goes to 80, whatever is the market price, it will take and it will sell. But as of now, I'm trying to keep a limit. So 242.80, it should trigger. The order should go to the market when it hits 85. It should go here, okay? So now you see both the orders are pending. If it goes to 244.30, target is done. If 242.85 and it places automatically an order for 242.80, that sell this, I don't want anymore. So whichever side the stock goes, I can keep booking my profit over here. Okay. Just seeing. All right. So now it is going closer. If you see 243, hardly we have some 10-20 paisa. Let's see which order triggers first. So it's still taking time. The market is negative. Still, the stock is not easily moving 0.3 negative and not hitting the stop loss also. It's taking some time. Maybe we need to wait. I'll pause the video for the stop loss or the target. Whichever side it hits, we'll get to know the order getting completed here. So we will wait. All right, 0.25 getting closer. Hopefully it should trigger. No, not yet. So it is somewhere here. Our orders are here. Once it triggers at 8580 will be our order. Come on, don't tell me if market is going up now. Hopefully the stock is not going sideways. If it is going sideways, then I have to wait the whole day. I don't think so. It can go up and yes, it can go down also. So you can see here, both your orders are here. This is the target order. So if I click here, I can modify this order also, the quantity, and if I drag this like this, the numbers will change. I don't want to do this right now. And same thing, stop loss, I can change my quantity or I can modify this by dragging up and down, but I don't want to do this. I just want to complete this order. Okay, little more. Not breaking this 90 as of now. Sort of shadows. Yes, finally it has hit my order. So if you see here, it has been triggered here. It has got triggered at 242.85 and I had kept my limit as 242.80, not below that. So within that number it has sold. So the latest price what it has taken is 242.85 and that's how the stock has taken a stop loss. So now my trade has been saved from the falling side. Okay. So now only challenge over here is you need to cancel this particular order manually. So whenever you get a pop-up in your mobile that order has been completed, let's say stop loss, or let's say your target was completed, you can manually go and cancel this order. So this is the only one option which you have for this MIS, or by taking more leverage you can do this. When you get a pop-up that your target is done, or you get a pop-up your stop loss is done, you're done for the day, right? So when you get the pop-up in your mobile, keep your notifications on for Kite, or else in your system you get this notification. Keep your sound on. So when you listen to this sound, automatically you go and cancel the opposite order, because we don't have an option. This is not a bracket order where one cancels automatically other side. So, and this is not a GTT order. This is manually kept by us for our safety. Whichever side first hits, we should be done. So that's the reason we had kept this. And you saw that how I kept the gap. Even you can keep it exactly 8080 or 85. One small gap, I will always keep a gap so that it doesn't skip and go. So I kept a 5 paisa gap like you saw, and it exactly got triggered, and then it sold at 242.85 because the market price was at that point itself. So it took the order immediately. If you keep too much of gap, then also it will take in market price. So if you keep the gap 80, it will not sell more than that. It cannot go more below 7075 and sell. You are keeping a limit. So my limit was 80. Don't sell more lesser than that. I don't want to take big losses. Okay, so I set my trigger from 85 to 80, not below than 80. I'm not ready to sell this stock. So it has put an order over there. and thankfully it didn't skip, so that I kept a 5 paisa gap. So this is how you can exactly keep a target and a stop loss for the ones who don't have time to sit and monitor, because most of us miss the target because of these reasons. They go up, spike up and come down. So we do not set a target. So MIS you can set target, cover order you cannot set target, you have to manually go exit in market price. So you need to be ready in the market. Bracket order is not available. CNC you can put CNC, like you can directly put a GTT order here. So this is your CNC. In CNC also you can do intraday, just that you don't get extra money. You have to trade with your own money. So you can set your target and stop loss, and that will be live till 1 year also. So you can wait how much ever you want. But in MIS order, like I told, only the regular order you are getting this option, manually going and putting stop losses and target. So for target, you're keeping limit order. Keep in this mind, always click the limit order, and for stop losses use this SL order or SL market order, which I told you. So hope this was answered. The confusion is cleared. If you're getting confused, watch this video again and again slowly. I try to take a small example of one quantity for you guys. So do let me know if you have any other technical confusions in any other topics, so that I will get to know that there are small gaps, knowledge gaps. I will try to make those basic videos so that the knowledge gap is covered for most of them. So thank you so much for watching. Please do hit that like button and this subscribe button, and see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.